Ginger water for weight loss. Quick and easy fat-burning drink you can make at home. As one of the world's most popular spices, ginger isn't only used as an ingredient for cooking, but it has also been used in traditional and alternative medicine too. For centuries, ginger has been used to treat several ailments including high blood pressure, arthritis, migraines, colds, and morning sickness in pregnant women. But aside from preventing and treating diseases, ginger can help in weight loss too. In a review published by the Journal of the New York Academy of Sciences in 2017, the authors cited ginger's positive effects on boosting the metabolism of carbs and fat burning. Ginger also helps slow down the emptying of the stomach, leading to a longer-lasting feeling of fullness that helps prevent overeating. Ginger also prevents the amount of cortisol, or the so-called stress hormone, from increasing in the body. Cortisol is mainly produced during stress. A high amount of cortisol causes increased blood sugar levels, which then contributes to problems with sleeping, digestion, and weight gain. And one of the easiest ways to reap the amazing health and weight loss benefits of ginger is by drinking ginger water. Here's how to make it. Step 1. Boil around 3.5 cups of water in a pot. Once it's boiled, add about 2 inches of peeled grated ginger. Step 2. Cover the pot and turn off the heat. Leave it for 5 minutes and finally, obtain the ginger water by straining. Depending on your taste, you may also add some honey or lemon to your ginger water, and you may consume it hot or cold. The best time to drink it is every morning, while your stomach is still empty. This will help kickstart your metabolism. Also, drink it 20 minutes before meals. This will be filling, which helps you to avoid overeating. Following those steps regularly will help reduce bloating and get rid of water weight. Just make sure that along with this healthy drink, you're staying active and having a nutritious, well-balanced diet every day. This would bring long-lasting changes to your overall health and not just your weight. The simple ginger water recipe has also many other uses, such as for pain relief. Ginger has long been known as an herbal medicine that relieves pain and swelling. One of the most popular uses of this spice is for easing women's menstrual cramps. In fact, according to a study cited in the book Herbal Medicine, Biomolecular and Clinical Aspects, ginger was as effective as the popular pain relief medicines ibuprofen and mefenamic acid in relieving painful menstrual cramps. Studies have also shown that ginger is effective against rheumatism and osteoarthritis, which are conditions characterized by painful and swollen joints. Before we proceed with the video, if you're finding it helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more informative health videos, and click on the bell icon so you'll never miss any of our future uploads. Moving on, ginger water is great for the heart too. Studies have shown that ginger helps lower blood pressure and prevents the buildup of harmful fats in the arteries, all of which are essential in maintaining a healthy heart. Studies have suggested that ginger can reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack without the possible side effects of aspirin, which is the common drug used to prevent these conditions. Next, anti-diabetes effects. Ginger has been discovered to help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce kidney damage, which is a complication of diabetes. Furthermore, studies have shown that consumption of ginger can help alleviate the damaging effects of diabetes, including increased blood sugar, body fat, and weight. With its countless health benefits, it isn't surprising that ginger has been one of the most widely used spices in the world for such a long time. In fact, thousands of years ago, Chinese and Indians created a tonic out of ginger to treat different kinds of ailments. There are so many herbs, spices, and plants which you may already be using every day that have healing properties just like ginger. And if you want to learn more about them, check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, where you'll find 800 plus medicinal plants that would replace every drug in your cabinet. It also has recipes of essential oils, teas, infusions, salves, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has a high definition, color pictures for each plant, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. Click the link in the description below and you'll discover why the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is the best plant medicine book ever written. And that's the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we have many more helpful and informative videos to share with you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.